Hi guys, we're in Mucklemore Mental Asylum where there's a lot of abuse with kids and stuff and all, so we're going to do a wee investigation here tonight. I've got exploring with NI, Yara here, you know, spooky exploring NI, nearly got it right, I've got dark arts, sorry. Carl with us and Sarah with us. So we're looking forward to a good night. Hopefully we'll get a lot of activity and hopefully Carl doesn't get possessed again.
Yeah, fingers crossed that. I mean, last time was absolutely insane, wasn't it? Like, the activity wise, it was just like hearing snoring when I was snoring in the building, and it went demonic snoring to weird possession attachments and stuff. I mean, he was just acting just as weird as I was.
Yeah, I was acting really weird.
Especially when you look back in the footage, it was just like, what is going on? But at that point in time, we didn't realise we'd been weird. So it doesn't make any sense. Why would we be getting affected here?
And then Sarah had to look after us,
yeah,
make sure we were safe, getting out with the holy water.
Yeah.
No, that's great, and hopefully have a good infest. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, absolutely. Here's so much about it.
Right, let's go. So guys, we're heading over to the wards. There'll be this girl, I think it was a female ward, and a boy ward. Don't know what I'm saying. This is where I think it was the girls' ward that Carl got possessed. If you haven't seen his video, go and check out Dark Arts TV. Yeah, so we're heading down there. I have to walk through a lot of brambles. Been a lot of abuse here. I've had a lot of activity in here for over the last 5-6 years. So much between apparitions, noises, bangs, about the snoring man. There's just so much stuff has gone on in here. It's such an amazing location.
What you tapped and started.
Oh Jesus! I'm falling over the show here. Alright, what other activity did we get when we were here last time? I said, oh, those little Carl got the snoring man and stuff and all. We got a load of stuff. We got a load of activity in the morgue and stuff, didn't we?
We did, in the morgue, but outside, sure, it was quite bad weather-wise, like, wasn't it?
That was a bad day, wasn't it?
With a lot of helicopters overhead as well.
Oh, there's loads of weird noises and stuff and all. Really close to the were.
Where the bicycle racks are.
Yeah.
I could hear someone now where I said it sounded like someone like going to their dog.
Oh, that's right, yes.
Saying sure there was no one there.
There's no one walking the dogs around here. Gary's been doing paranormal for fucking years upon years. He knows everything about history. You should definitely go and check his page out. He's Spooky Explorer and I. So I managed to fucking slice my finger like a numpty on the window. Good crack. So hopefully
send it all through to you if we see anything.
yeah, we can still carry on filming.
I mean, it's changing right now already.
Really?
Yeah.
In what way?
It's just your face looks.
Not smiling.
I'm actually getting creeped out. Like,
Really?
yeah.
Well, this is where we're storing. Oh, it's going.
Is that? So there's a lot of fun going on upstairs. This is the Snoring Man, word we're calling it, because of the what last time. A lot of noise going on. Is that the Snoring Man room there?
The job's still there, man.
So
The
no
job's still there, so there's no one fucking in there.
What the fuck? That is nuts. So this,
This is madness.
what the hell? We left that there the last time.
We left that there because we were so convinced there was someone in here and we wanted to see the results out, but there's no one in number 5, man. Hello?
That's weird.
That is so weird.
That's actually really weird because there's nothing.
Someone in there that would eventually come out and that wouldn't be certain exactly.
Gary, you should have heard that the last
I
time.
watched it in the video.
It was no, but it was like so loud.
I heard that.
That was a rumble.
It was two bangs. When you turned, I looked straight down there. Don't know what's down there. It's dark.
You want to start lap dancing again?
Are you okay?
No, I actually felt I'm missing. I'm not joking right now.
My leg is shit.
So the Snoring Man's room is dead quiet. We're getting absolutely nothing from it at the minute, which is weird because the last time we heard it was just totally like an old man snoring constantly for like ages, and we were banging and you could hear him like making like noises like that and stuff and all, like we were sort of disturbing them, which is mad like, but it's silent in there now, but there's loads of thudding and stuff. Also, last time we were here, Carl obviously got possessed and or had an attachment, and he started being sick, and now he's reporting that he's feeling sick. Like as soon as Carl walked through the door, his face changed. Gary noticed his face changing. This is going to be an interesting night.
Am I hearing this? I'm hearing something.
I'm telling you, something's like affecting my legs. I'm not even joking.
What's happening?
There's some weird stuff happening right now, man. I was just saying to Sarah then, I was like, we'll wait till Neil's done his part and we'll start thinking, and I did a stupid dance.
Oh,
I mean,
are you dancing
I did
again?
a stupid jiggle, mate, right?
No
Next
way.
minute, Sarah's like, kind of stand up. And then we just heard a growl, mate. It's like a weird growling laugh. Like,
That's mad.
Honestly, I'm not even messing.
So what is it, your legs
Like,
or?
I've no weight in my legs. I could just felt like the weight just completely. Like all my weight was on my legs, and I just felt like I was just going to fall down.
oh, it's so weird. There, it's just tapped on my back, man. Did you hear it?
Oh.
Somebody just tapped my back again.
Right, if there's anyone around me, you need to step away. around me, Carol, any of the guys here, you need to step back.
Heard something.
Yeah, it's fucking gone now.
What?
I swear to God, look.
Just like that.
When you said step away, I heard a faint sound, just like a tap or something here. It was very faint. I know you didn't hear because you didn't react.
Not
Now-
literally, the feeling was gone.
It's making sense, this is it.
It's mad.
Why is it just changing forms if it's like
It's trying to make me, it's trying to stop me from walking, like.
so bizarre?
You said kids had disabilities in here.
It is.
So when we first came here, we thought, when nothing disabilities, we were thinking autism, like mental health.
Wide spectrum.
Mental health. We didn't realise it was
Yeah.
like further, so it could be something like that. You know, like
Yeah.
a child has had.
Get an impairment.
I've seen this twice.
What did you say?
Right. See, when you were talking earlier on, I thought I seen someone darting in to. Do you know is the door frame at the end there? Just darting in before that. So when you were talking there, over your shoulder, it just looked like someone white just jumping across.
And then remember, you seen that thing behind me as well, in one of the doorways there.
Shadow.
The shadow thing.
Happened behind me.
Well, this is the bit where I seen your mum in the stripy jammies. But then remember, I thought it was room 15, and I couldn't find the room.
Alright.
What the fuck is that?
What's going on?
It's really strange, it's my language, but it's just like, it literally feels like my legs are about to go, like, just,
So
it's like the strength of my legs is like defeating. Now, what the hell?
Do you feel alright, Gary?
I do able to sense things.
Yeah.
You know, when you were saying you seen something down there, I wasn't sure because your torches have been pointed down
It's
here.
not cold in here, is it?
No, it's good.
So, a few years ago, in this corridor, I seen a spirit of a young man in his pyjamas, in striped pyjamas, and we had a full EVP K2 combo with him, so we did. So we always seen activity in this hall. I wonder if it's him. He was really nice. We keep seeing white figures down the bottom of the corridor.
It looks like a raspy laugh.
Are you hearing things?
Play back the footage, mate. We just heard a raspy laugh at us, man.
No way.
Fucking shit, you know.
It's funny, guys like jogging on the spot.
Neil's literally. I mean, Gary's actually got the footage on his phone. Holy
That's
shit,
mad.
I can't believe that.
No, honestly, did you not hear that?
I didn't hear. I was up there chatting to myself.
It was like real raspy.
Whoever's in number 5 is a raspy man. What the fuck?
Same sort of sound. That was a similar sound. Like.
Gary, that ran past us. That like went right past
sounded
me and
like
Sarah. Just
something
like
was, like, getting dragged
yes,
down the wall.
It went like that there, straight past us. What?
No, seriously, boys.
I wish I was recording that.
That went right past you.
Yeah, you were literally mimicking the sound on the tape.
What was it?
There's other shit going on here.
Literally no way was listening to that voice. That voice was capturing the laugh, and I just heard a growl.
It
This
wasn't
is 3
a growl, it
times.
was like something was dragged down the wall.
That got me.
It was like something was dragged down the wall.
See, it sounded like a to me.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. What Carl's getting. It sounded like even someone like squeezing past us, but like like that, like get out of the way sort of type thing.
Seriously. I'm gonna roll some spirit box right now. Oh my god. I mean,
Thank God.
massive breeze on my right side.
I'm feeling that.
Massive breeze.
It is.
We're in some mad activity here now.
Jesus Christ. Right, I'm gonna roll this.
Why are you shaking so much?
Right, here we go. You gonna speak to us? Peter. Peter, you've been held here by something dark.
Whoa.
What did it say?
That was okay.
Yeah.
Could you repeat that?
I think I'm seeing things. As someone, like, it looked like a black, like, very small, like, near enough like an animal, like, came up behind you there, just outside my eye. So it did, like a wee black shadow, just doing up there.
Therapy, but there is a lot of
What was
animal
that?
therapy with children with disabilities.
Well, would they bring, like, dogs and stuff and all in,
Sometimes
and
we've
cats?
had, like, residents who've had pets and stuff. So whatever makes people happy, we would allow it. Before COVID, you would have found things. After COVID, you're not allowed any of that now. But beforehand, we used to leave the window open at night shift so a local cat would have come in,
Yeah.
and it made one of our residents very happy. So we just let it happen. So
Hello?
unless it's a spirit who's felt comforted by an animal.
Did you not hear that?
Yeah, mate.
When you were talking, Gary, or someone went, oh, like a fucking, from that way, but
I'll throw some more spirit boxes, see what the is. We've got something else in room 5 and see what the crack is with this.
I'm so stumped about this noise.
Who's in room 5? Peter. It's voice
We got
Peter.
Peter the last time, did we not?
Whoa,
What the
shit, man.
fuck?
No. Okay. Someone's just fucking grabbed my leg.
What? I've got that in footage. I caught that. You alright?
Mate.
With me, that's when someone ran past us there. I could be grabbing you now.
Yeah.
Can you do that again for us, please?
Let's go, come on. Cheers. Right, let's keep rolling. Children. Kids, children.
What does that? That's a whistle.
A warning.
What a warning.
Warning whistle.
Who's in room 5? Because last time we stood here, we was hearing snoring. Someone in there snoring. Who's in room 5?
What's that?
What was that?
Mate, what is going on?
What? I don't even know how to explain that. That was like a woman talking. Like, but you heard that over the
Yeah,
ghost box.
I heard that.
It was like a woman, high pitched. It was clear. It was just really hard to work out what she was saying, but she was coming from down there.
Mate, I'm gonna roll an EVP now, because I'm hearing that stuff.
You go with the dog, right?
I'm gonna roll it in and just see what happens. Right, okay, whoever's here with us now. Me.
I felt something touching my hair.
What?
Oh, you felt something.
What?
Did you shine a light here? See where the crawl went? There's none.
What do you see?
Just something tugging on my hair like that. What's going on?
What do you see down there, Carl?
Oh, it's fire, it's not weird. Right, let me just roll this EVP and just see what the crack is. Why was we hearing snoring? Is there something dark in here?
Is her, sorry. Is her name Peter?
Did you touch my hair?
Do you remember us?
Okay. Let's go, let's back.
bike.
So why is the KT ring going off?
Just went on the second light.
There's no reason for... Yeah, look, there's no reason for this to be happening right now.
Yep. So it's made contact through the K2.
Mate, it's gone cold all of a sudden right here now.
I'm freezing.
Should back to playing it maybe and see it. Hold on, we'll just check this clip, right? So I only started recording.
Mate, feel this. Mate, feel this.
No, ice.
What was that?
Someone's hitting my device, mate. Oh, yeah.
Mate, I can feel it.
Everybody's on flight mode now, yeah.
So why is that?
Yeah, what the heck?
See what?
I was on my legs like a few minutes ago, what the heck?
Yeah, it's up there. Let me film this out. Mommy, what was that?
Somebody is thing.
Yeah, no, that's just pinged off my leg.
It's gone now.
Just taste that.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Weird.
Default. Because you put your foot right next to it, it means obviously there's some kind of charge.
Yeah.
Mate, right, okay.
Yeah.
No, just stop, someone's just tapping there.
It's like cobwebs and shit around
Yeah,
my
I
head.
got that on my face 2 minutes ago. I went and got on Paul's hair and I went to lift it off my face.
Yeah, look.
It's getting crazy.
What's going on, man?
But the weirdest thing now is I don't actually have that feeling in my legs now. It's gone.
Is that that door?
No. What's going on, man? Mate, something's grabbing my head. Maybe look, what's going on? What's going on?
Right, so Carl's getting a lot of action here.
Whoa. Someone keeps touching my head. You around me now? Can you touch my head again? Whoa. Why do you keep touching me? How weird is this, man?
It's mad. Oh, spiderwebs everywhere. So yeah, Carl was getting a lot of activity. He's picking up a lot of stuff. The last time we were here, he got loads of like activity. I've been touching him, affecting him, being obsessed and stuff and all. I got a wee bit, but he seems to be getting a lot now. He seems to be kicking off now. So hopefully I'll see if I get affected.
Okay, let's just listen to the rest of the EP, see what we've got. What? Sounds like just like a... It's like a voice that goes...
What was that?
It's like a cry then. It's like a kid crying. I'm just going to roll this. Can I hear you crying? Is that a child crying upstairs?
That's a woman's
What was
voice.
that?
Help me!
Yeah.
What the hell?
Help
What's
me!
that?
Listen, listen. Right, ready?
Yeah.
What?
Help me, yeah.
Wow.
No way.
Crazy shit.
That is nuts, isn't
That's
it?
mad.
Let's play it to the camera. Listen to this. Help me! Help me!
What would be the most common thing said in here?
Yeah.
Well, help me,
You're
innit?
getting abused, like.
Yeah.
Oh, man, help me, yeah.
You're sitting cold, alone, nobody. Your parents have sent you here to be looked after. Your parents think you're being looked after, but you're not.
Yeah, you know.
You're being fucking fucked with, you know? It's.
Yeah, it's terrible. Help me. How mad is that?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I would bet you each room
Oh,
you're
it's
different.
Helping with what though? Like,
So bad, that's so bad, isn't it? Like, help me.
You're talking.
That's a mad
So,
EVP.
frame of mind these bastards would be.
Walk. You just said walk.
Walk, yeah.
What did you say? I said I went just walk down there.
do you want us to walk down?
Hi.
Aye.
Kid's voice.
Holes.
Is that walk again?
I heard holes.
Oh, I said walk. What do you think you said to me? Walk.
I thought I said hello.
Hello.
I got a hello from it, but
Yeah, what did you think?
Is there a tall man here? Oh, you're pretty.
Not in the bang.
I heard a bang.
There's a big bang.
Do you hear
That's what I said, if there was a tall man here.
Do you hear?
Yeah, big bang.
No, big bang in there.
It's a big bang.
Neil? I got Neil. What did you get?
Who's that?
That's what I said, Neil.
Better not be a shadow figure.
What, the one from my car?
From the north.
Oh yeah, I kept saying, we got that last time. Neil, Neil, Neil.
Separate investigation.
Yeah. Didn't it? Was that Neil? Yeah.
Yeah, the last time we were here in the
A
morgue.
separate investigation with Tyrone Paranormal, and I kept calling for him. I had to ring him. I was like, Neil.
I wasn't even here.
And the guy, Jared, was it? From
Yeah.
Tyrone, was it?
Yeah.
He just came out with, did Neil say shadow figure? And I was like, yes, man. He did. What was that, man? I don't know. There was something happening there.
Was that kill?
Oh, don't be telling me.
So was that kill? Walking this way. That's me.
Wait again.
Wait.
Why do you want us to wait?
I keep hearing my name.
Wait.
You want us to wait here? So one of these rooms? Can you give me a number of a room?
Let's keep walking.
One.
You want us to keep walking?
I got one. You heard one. You asked for the room.
Wait again.
Yeah, wait. Which room you in?
We heard one.
Woman.
One to live.
What?
You say 11?
You did?
You were 11?
Yep.
Push it, say push it.
Okay, so you started again.
What was that? Was that you? That's a big burp.
This is starting to flicker.
Work.
Okay, so you start to flicker again.
Wait.
So it's been dead for ages.
Yes.
make the green. Can you make the green light change?
The music box there.
Are you in 11?
I thought the second door needed closed.
Are you in 11?
Stop!
No, what happened? What happened?
I don't know, because I had the urge to look down there and I went like that and
Well, I was looking in the door.
what's that?
What happened then? It was like I'll try and do it with my foot. It was like, but down there coming this way.
Yeah,
and you run this way. Are we on?
Jesus.
It was like someone came up with me.
But not even walking, like just.
It was like
Did you see something or did you hear something?
Weird.
Did you see something or just hear it?
Heard it.
And I just looked down there and the second I looked that happened.
Mate, it was like I could feel it though. It was like someone just came up with me.
Who's around us? Hurry!
What was that?
Hurry!
Hurry!
Get the sounds on these clips.
Why do you want us to hurry?
What? Was that black? Black? No, black. The tall black figure.
Yeah.
No, wait. Turn off. Wait.
Right, again. Right, okay, we'll keep it on. What you need to say?
In.
That's not even more than that.
What have you got to tell us?
See voice.
Are you affecting me?
Is there an Ian trying to say something? Blood on the floor.
Shaking like mad. Why are you shaking?
I don't know. Move.
Keep walking down this way.
I heard a thud.
Why am I shaking so much?
It's not that cold in here now.
What?
It's not that cold.
I know.
Down this way.
Are we going the right direction?
Sing it. Seen it.
Did I just copy your voice? Did you not just say that?
Seen it, yeah.
And
Yeah,
then it repeated what you said?
yeah. Seen it.
What did they see?
Beast. It just said fucking beast right there, man. The beast. What did I say before? I seen that tall black figure stood down there.
Wait, again, every time I go to...
I just heard it scream. Do you want to do the way it sounded like you?
What?
Do you want to do that stupid now?
Yeah.
Where was the base? Where was the base?
So, on the ghost box, we were getting feedback, like they're copying what we're saying. So, literally, Carl's saying something that's going to get repeated back, which is mad. But there's like talking about beasts, talking about just random stuff, like it's just mad. Hi guys, so we are going to that building. Sort of died down there a bit, so it did. So we're heading to the actual other building where Carl actually did get possessed, and he actually got really strange. Yeah, I definitely got weird experiences in that last building we're in. I fucking started feeling like it's full of load of energy, and I just wanted to run about the place and stuff and all. Still bloody need to get our equipment out and start doing stuff. But, Carl's done a bit of ghost box, and Gary's done some K2 work. I need to get a few bits on the go here. We need to try and get into this other building. And there's lovely work. I've been working hard on that all year. So I'm all on my own. Everyone's way back to the car to get refreshments, and I didn't realise they were way back. So I'm all on my own. It's definitely creepy being here on your own, like. Anyway, down their back, try and find them, and then start the second part of our investigation. Right, guys, we are in the actual building now where Carl got possessed, where he was swearing at us. They've just heard a female voice there. That's them shouting there, they saying they heard something. Yeah, this is where it all really kicked off in this building. What the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, there was a baby crying.
Mate, we did not hear the woman.
I never heard the woman just said that you heard it, but I was up there doing my thing, and there was like a baby crying from upstairs. It was like a wee. Holy good.
I heard something as well where you were talking there. It sounds like female or young child.
Yeah. This is the building. I think this is where all the chronic stuff's taking place, you know.
What the fuck?
Jesus.
Right, so I heard a baby crying there. That actually scared the shit out of me. What the fuck?
Right, okay, so if you're wondering where Sarah's gone to, she actually sat in the couch not feeling too great. I think something was attaching itself to her in the other building, but she has got the service down there. And apparently in the road outside there's been basically signs of operation in the beginning, so she can do a bit of spirit box in the car whilst we're in there, just trying to find out what's going on in this place, what are it's keeping off. Holy shit.
That's freaked me out, so it has.
I've got this bad pain in my stomach, you know.
This is literally kicking off straight away.
Yeah, mate.
Fucking hell.
It's like internal pain or somebody's.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I feel like I've just been like.
Did you not get this when you were here the last time? See if you're sick again.
No, I think it was you, wasn't it? Didn't you have the stomach pain last time?
Oh yeah, I did.
You did, yeah. No, honestly, I feel like someone's just like jabbed me in the stomach, man.
No way.
Fucking hell.
I forgot all about that.
That was so weird. Is that what happened? Did it punch you in the stomach? What I'm going to do, I'm going to roll the VM5 device now and just see if we get some yes no answers on this.
That was me. So Carl was getting affected. No, the last time I was here, it was me who got affected. I forgot all about it.
Alright, so it's a really cool piece of technology from one sec. So we've got word mode, yes and no mode, so it's basically working off sensors. Let's try and use the yes no just to see what kind of stuff we get. Okay, so whoever's here, we try to come forward and manipulate this device in my hand to give us yes and no answers to the questions we ask. It's just glitched. Oh, it's back out, it's good. Before it glitched out then. So is that what happened? They punch you in your stomach? Can you use the device in my hand to talk with us? And let us know. No.
No.
Did they do something else to your stomach?
That's upstairs.
Is the
That was a
abuser
child.
here? Is that the technique that you used to use? Did you used to punch your victims?
Yes. No way.
Do you want to try and do it to me?
Do you want to try and do that to Gary? What? Scream. Scream right then. No. So maybe it is the patient or something who obviously got abused. But obviously doesn't want
There's
to do it to
definitely
you.
something that's there
Yeah.
audio wise, like.
So this only gives you yes or no answers, yeah?
So we're on yes and no mode at the moment.
Okay.
Is there something dark and evil here that attached itself, or what we believe attached itself to me? Last time I was here, it made me sick. Was it something dark? Yes. So it's just confirmed there's something dark.
That was really weird what happened to you, like.
Yeah.
Can you draw us towards the location that happened?
Made that pain.
I'm making a sound. Serious? Coming back?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
coming back again, man. Yes.
Well, you let us know where you are. Make a sound and we'll come towards you. It can be any sound at all. A clap, a bang, a whistle. Throw something.
Do you hear that? It was like 3 knocks. It was like bang, bang, bang.
3 knocks.
It was 3 knocks.
Sit knock on the train.
It sounded like, right, I could hear it in that direction, but it didn't sound like it was in here, it sounded like it was in the room behind you. Was that you knocking?
No, he said. What was the last question you asked, Gary?
Just about, just letting us know any sort of sound at all, you know, laugh,
just
clap.
And it's just said no. And we've not heard any like other bangs or anything. We heard the voices.
Could you please make a sound? We're not here to hurt you, we're only here to prove the existence of the afterlife. And if you remain in this building, we're not here to hurt you, we're just here to have a chat.
Mate, it's coming up with question marks. Huh.
What?
It's coming up with question marks.
What the hell?
If you stayed in this and lived in this,
And that's in the
this
yes, no bit?
establishment, you might not be used to people being kind. Well, maybe you are, but very little. We're here to be nice. We're here to hear your story. We won't run away. We're here for this reason.
Yes.
If you need any sort of energy, you can come up to us. You can pass through our bodies.
Mate,
Come up to our equipment. That will give you enough energy to make a sound.
mate, as Gary was just saying that, then it was like surging through my body, mate. And I was then you could pass through our bodies. I was like surging.
If that was you coming through, Carl, could you use that energy now to do something? There's not cars passing, like, you're sure there's not.
No. And we're way at the back anyway.
Yeah.
Like that.
Did you just walk through me then?
I think that is picking the road up in the distance there.
Is that you just walked through me? Because if it was, I could feel you.
I could give you something easy to do. If you run your finger along this wall,
Roy just said yes.
if you run your finger along this wall like this, We'll hear that, and it's very light. I'm going to put the SLR on. But the last time I put that on, it shut the battery down,
That's a move, that's what it said in the other one too.
Yeah.
So that's two different ghost boxes that said the same thing.
That's weird, isn't it? That is so weird.
Where do you want us to move to?
Look upstairs.
Gratis.
Gratis.
Gratis?
Gratis.
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 Don't know what that is.
No, gratis.
Gratis. Gratis.
Gratis.
Do you know what that is?
Thank you.
Is it?
Spanish, maybe?
Guy, remember you were talking about earlier on about the pole?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that pole. The other one wasn't bent like that. Like there's been weight on it.
Yeah, I remember
How do you sell this here? I'm sure you don't see that.
Is the evil end still here? Hello? So weird, man.
Oh, Jesus.
So strange.
It's definitely quieter.
It's a lot quieter now.
We were getting a lot in the other place, but I kicked off downstairs when we first came in. So it's only, we came upstairs there and it seemed to, it's quieting down now, so.
Yeah.
Hello?
Ratio.
Can you talk to us? Can you make a noise for us? Not that kind of noise.
Oh, bro, this is the room, innit? Oh, mate.
Oh, is this where you booked?
Mate, this is the room. Oh, mate, look at my sick, man. It's like... It's weird to the floor.
Oh, lovely.
Right, okay, whoever's here, I want you to come forward, use a device in my hand, speak to us. Moving.
In the background, I got
Yeah, what was that?
someone in the background. Imagine the fucker still having it. You're locked with that fucker going to the other
yeah.
side.
Hit.
Hit?
Oh my days. Hit.
Were you hit and abused in here?
Faster. Moving.
What's that? Be quiet, be quiet.
Be quiet.
We're up here. Help you?
Help.
Get her? Was it get out? Get her?
Yeah, no. What happened in this room where Neil stood? Was that dead?
Dead.
Come.
come.
My God, she said come, bro. This is where you affected me last time, wasn't it?
Calm.
What happened to me in here?
Calm.
So I think of somebody who's good, you know, calm.
Yeah.
What do you hear there? I thought I heard someone, like a kid speaking,
Yeah.
like a child,
Yeah.
but not through that, not through the ghost box.
So weird, mate. It feels odd now. It just feels sick, man.
Can you make a sign? Maybe rap back?
Moving.
Like I says downstairs, you
There's
can
a
use
click.
our energy.
Feel.
Yes, you can feel me. If you feel me, you might be able to transfer some energy over. You can use that energy to communicate.
Warmer. Flat. Home.
Home. Oh my God. Do you know what's mad? This is really mad. Do you remember what I was saying was coming here? It gets to saying home on the spirit box. Home. I was like, yeah, I am home, aren't I? Deadcom just said home. We didn't run Deadcom last time on this level.
No.
And it should come through saying home exactly around here.
Yeah,
This
because you
is
said
home.
you did say when you were dancing and stuff and all, you said I'm at home and stuff and all.
Yeah.
And you said it a few times.
So whatever it is obviously, you know, he's intelligent. It knows that we've been here. It's repeating itself almost as well.
Yeah.
Because it said home first time on Spirit Box. Now it's saying home on Deadcom. That's mad. That is so mad. What happened in this room?
What happened?
I stabbed him. I stabbed him.
Fucking hell.
A woman's voice that said, I stabbed him.
Why did you stab him? Tell him the truth. Tell him the truth.
Yeah, it's down the truth.
Many family members trying to get justice have passed
Yeah,
away
yeah.
without getting. Fucking crazy. Who did you stab?
Mate, you just said Carl. What the... Mate, that is so
Carl.
weird. You said who did you stab? You said Carl straight away.
Swear.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
In my stomach.
Yeah. And then I got it done, you said it the last time.
Her mind, was it?
Her mum.
Her mind of.
Did you stab Carl?
Her mum.
Her amount of what? Is that the amount of power you had here? Did you really badly hurt someone? Now that's being transferred over to Carl?
Oh my God, did you hear what you just fucking said then? Hell. Hell.
You heard the 3 knocks.
Yeah, 3 knocks.
3
It's
knocks
just-
downstairs.
The devil's knocking.
I mean, this place is literally
Shake.
the hell on earth, innit? Do you know what I mean?
It is, man. One of the worst of institutional abuse cases, I
Yeah.
Faster.
There's no stories tonight. What happened? That's all we want to know. That's why I never use doors. You're not going to be able to use rooms.
No.
If it's an open case.
That's it, yeah.
The doors would be. And then.
Sound like there's a woman there.
Yeah. So funny, man. What are you feeling now? What's going on?
There was like a woman's voice behind me.
Really?
Yeah.
If you think you're scaring us, it's not working.
Can you let me hear your voice again, please? Did you work here?
Step back, it's a corridor. It's totally different vibes tonight.
So guys, it's went really quiet, like eerily quiet. There's not much happening. Might end the video here. The event kicks off when they get lower down or on the way out. I'll film it. Go and follow Dark Arts TV and Spooky Explorer and I, and yeah, can you please give me a subscribe and a like? Explore my soul. Sorry, I'm just listening.